In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity for free with both basic search and daily pro searches. To get started, open your web browser and go directly to perplexity.ai. You can use the web app right away without logging in, which is great if you just want to test it quickly and see how it works. If you want a more consistent experience and access to the free daily pro usage, you can also create a free account. Either option works, so choose the one that feels easiest for you. Once you're on the site, begin with the basic search experience. You'll see a search box where you can type your question, topic, or prompt just like you would with any other search tool. The basic default model allows you to run standard searches without a limit, so this is ideal for everyday research, quick fact-finding, summaries, brainstorming, and general information gathering. The best approach here is to be clear and specific with your wording. If your first result isn't exactly what you need, you can simply rephrase your question and try again. Because these standard searches are unlimited, you can refine your prompt as much as necessary. As you use the platform, keep in mind that free accounts also include a limited number of complimentary daily pro search queries. These are especially useful when you want a more advanced search experience or stronger assistance on a question that may need deeper analysis. If you've signed up for a free account, you can take advantage of these pro uses each day without paying. A helpful tip is to save those daily pro searches for more important or more complex tasks, while using the basic search mode for routine questions. That way, you get the most value out of what's available for free. So the overall workflow is simple. Visit perplexity.ai, use the unlimited basic search for your regular queries, and then use the limited daily pro searches when you need a little extra power. This makes the platform very accessible whether you're casually exploring, doing research, or comparing results across different types of questions. If you follow that approach, you'll be able to use Perplexity effectively without spending anything, while still taking advantage of both the standard